In this video, I want to talk about how you can verify your Webull account. Now keep in mind, if you're not located in the US, Australia, and I'm not too sure, but I also believe Canada, then you cannot make an account on Webull. So you need to be from there. Now to verify it, what you need to do is just open up the app. It's much easier to do from the phone. Then simply click on account, look for verification, and inside of there you just want to follow the instructions. So this will be, you need to provide personal information, which is your name, address, date of birth, and you should also upload your ID. Now most likely this will be a driver's license or your passport or something like this, and sometimes they're also gonna ask for a selfie. And I forgot to add here, sometimes they will also ask for proof of address, which can be a utility bill, bank statement, just basically anything where your name and your address is on and it's official and it's an official document. Then you just want to submit it and wait. Usually it only takes 1 to 2 days, but you just have to wait. And of course, if it's a weekend, either it might not be done, so just wait until it becomes a weekday. Now that is basically how you can do it, guys. It's really easy and really simple. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.